In this video, I'll show you how you can change your skin in Minecraft. Now this is really simple, guys, so let's get straight into it. First, what you want to do is head over to minecraft.net and log into your account. After you've done that, head over to profile and you should come to this page right here. Now what you want to do then is you want to go to somewhere where you can download the skin that you want. Now I know a website called Skindex, so I'll just go to Skindex right here and find the skin that I want. So you can scroll down here, there's thousands of skins in here, and once you found one that you want, let's say this one, you want to click on it and then you want to click on the download button right here, and then you should have a PNG file. Now make sure it's just a photo file and not an exe or anything, because some of the website can be a bit sketchy and give you links that you don't need. So go to either the Skindex or another trustable one and make sure it's a photo. After you have the photo, what you want to do is go back to minecraft.net, click on change skin under your profile, scroll down and select file, or you can simply drag it in here. Once the skin pops up like this, press upload and it should say your current skin, and then it should show this one. Now keep in mind these are just textures for the skin, so it's gonna look a little weird here, but I'll quickly just open Minecraft and show you how it looks in the game. Okay, so now I just open up the world, and as you can see, I have the skin that I just installed. So that is basically how you can do it, guys. It's really simple, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.